I'll wait for it to come on. All right, here it is, the Honda Prologue software update. Probably the first for all of us, since I have one from May of 2024 and has had no updates. Some of you may get more updates than me. I may not be compatible with all the new stuff, but what we can find out today is what happens during the update. And if you want to find out if the update affects my car positively or negatively, feel free to smash the like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. My update is for the central gateway module, and the notification says that it makes updates easier. That's it. There is another update for the Prologue that others are getting and I am not. That's the battery energy control module. So let me know in the comments if you got that one. Once you hit install, it says turn vehicle off. So let's do it. Be sure you're ready to update. This update may take up to 15 minutes. Your vehicle cannot be driven. Park in a secure place. Features like door locks, windows, and warning chimes may not work. Locked doors may not unlock. So do not lock passengers inside if you leave your vehicle. We're going to lock ourselves in here. So we've started the update process. It will begin in 1 minute. And we'll transfer to my real-time voice now that CarPlay is off and it's allowed audio on my phone recording. Since we're sitting here, I did not plug the car in. I do not have a full battery. I have 52% battery. There's my parking brake just set. Time remaining 14 minutes, 13 minutes. And there was some progress there. I'm pretty sure I only got the one update because I have an older car. Whatever the second update is not something that my car needed because it's probably not compatible, but that's 100% speculation. So we're not very far in here and it already says 10 minutes left. Park in a secure location, that's important. I'm in my garage. If this car is completely disabled, I mean, it's not going to be fun to get out of here, but it's not going to cause me any problems. Can software updates totally disable your car? Absolutely. If I wasn't running a YouTube channel dedicated to this car, there's no way I would have done this update. And that's an option. You can decline it. The thing is, once you decline one, you're kind of stuck with what you got forever. So if there is a cool update, you'll never get it. But yeah, this is not bad. It says door locks, other functions may not work while it's doing this. So I may totally be locked in right now. Luckily, this thing has regular door handles and not electronic ones. Back to voiceover me, this jump here is in real time, so it's moving really quickly. How long did your update take? And did everything work when you drove again? Let me know in the comments. Oh, there it went. Big jumps, big jumps. Software update was unsuccessful. There you go. Vehicle will turn off automatically in a few moments. Key left in vehicle, it's turned off. Okay. I'm now in the car. It says loading, Android is starting. I got out and it did something else. All right, let's see if it'll turn on. So yes, that was really scary, but software update was successful. Here you have it. Let's go to settings, updates, updates in history, installed software update, central gateway module, March 24th. Good news, I guess. Let's check for new updates. I won't subject you to all that waiting. No updates available for your vehicle. There it is, installed. So if you get an update unsuccessful notification, don't panic just yet. I would definitely set it and forget it and not sit in the vehicle like I did. Let's watch the whole thing in a time lapse really quickly. I started the camera at 12:50 p.m. and at 1:01 I was complete and I turned off the vehicle. So a 10-minute update for me. There it all was in a time lapse. Leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Join Patreon to support this channel and get early access to videos, and subscribe for more. We'll see you on the next one.
Hey, smash the like button.
Thank you.